Good morning everybody, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. It's 8 o'clock right now and I have to go drop off my car to get my downpipe installed, which I'm really excited about. But hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I've complained a lot about this weather, but it's really bad. I hate this weather. Who's that? Okay, yeah, so we made it. I'm just waiting for my friend to come here. I'm not gonna step out of the rain, but hopefully my car gets louder and faster. Bye for now. And now I'm about to head home, about to catch an Uber and go home now. Hey guys, welcome back. I did end up picking up my car, but let me tell you guys, it's really loud. I don't know if it sounds good, but it's really loud. I did bring it back home. I did put it up on jacks just to test it out if it's any good, if they did the job properly. And let me see, let me show you guys. It's pretty good done. That's the pipe right there. Let me try getting under there. I did get under there before and I just double checked. That's the pipe right there, and it goes up to there, and that's the valves and the clips they used right there. Yeah. And let me try getting a better angle. So this is the pipe right here that goes all the way up to the door, and right there gets connected right there. I'll take it down from the jack stands and I'll show you guys how loud it is. Okay, put the car on the ground. Let me start it up for you guys. I'm telling you, this is gonna be loud. I was telling you, this is hella loud. Or you can't hear me right now. Jesus. This is really loud. My neighbors are gonna get mad at me.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. I forgot to record some clips for you guys yesterday because I was tired and I went back to sleep. But here I am. I'm about to start my car right now. This is way too loud. I'm pretty sure you guys can. My sister comes out and she's like, why is this so loud? And is this, I couldn't really explain it to her, but you guys already know. The car sounds like a tractor and like a Honda, like a straight pipe Honda. But it's okay. Like, I know it sounds bad, but I actually kind of don't mind it because I know my car is gonna be a track build. Like, and I'm not gonna be driving this every day, you know. I'm gonna be replacing my Sound TC for something really exciting. You guys will see. Just stay tuned. And this Ecoboost is gonna stay in my garage. And if I ever do want to go to a track, I'll just take this out. Right now, it doesn't sound too bad. One thing I like about it is that I can hear my turbo spooling, so I can hear that high-pitched turbo sound. But when I do upgrade my turbo to a bigger turbo and I do get my front mount intercooler, this is gonna sound so much better, like 100 times better than it is right now. I'm just ready to complete this build, and then I'll buy a perfect daily. Yeah, but when people see my car, when it's a full banger, people are gonna say it's slow and shit. But wait, once it gaps people, they're gonna be like so shocked. They're gonna be like, damn, what the hell? Hey guys, welcome back. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and comment down below what you guys want me to do with my Ecoboost. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.